My name's Elahim, I'm a bartender, and I love to imbibe. This is the channel where I make one-of-a-kind cocktails you haven't had before, and I take simple classics and insert my own special twist for those of you who don't have a full bar at home because, unlike me, you're a well-adjusted human being. That's enough talking. Let's get mixing.
What's up, everybody? This week I wanted to make a twist on a margarita. This is called the Raquelita in honor of my mom. I made it for her. She loves basil and vegetal flavors, so this incorporates Ancho, Reyes, Verde, and some fresh basil. Let's get started. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of lime. Beautiful. Now we're gonna take 1, 2, she loves me, she loves me not, she loves me, she loves me not. About 4 to 5 to 6 basil leaves. We're gonna gently press. It's a sort of like mint where you don't wanna twist because you don't want to get that extra bitter flavor from the leaf. Just pressing lightly. Beautiful. Now we're gonna do 0.75 gram Marnier. .25 Ancho Reyes Verde. And 2 ounces of Blanco Tequila. Beautiful. We're gonna grab our ice. And I almost forgot. We're gonna do just 2 dashes of grapefruit bitters. That is my partner, Kate, helping me out there. And while I'm at it, because how are you gonna have a margarita without sweetener? This also calls for 1/4 of agave. Kate's over there bent over laughing because it's hard to do everything right when someone's watching, you know what I'm saying? All right. Great. We are going to take that nice and moist. Yes, I said it, moist. That beautiful salt rim. Then we are going to use our Hawthorne strainer. Grab our ice. Now, I prefer my margaritas with a big cube. Get that wonderful color. Oh. Awesome. And for our garnish, we're gonna do a basil leaf, not a lime. You're gonna take the basil leaf, you're gonna, that's right, slap it. That releases all the oils and aromatics. You're gonna stick it in your glass. Take a sniff and take a sip. God, this should be the standard margarita. I know it's a bold claim, but make this at home and tell me I'm wrong. Make this at home and tell me I'm wrong. This is good AF. That's right. I swore without swearing. I did it. Hell yeah. Whoops. Oh. That's so good though. That is so good. Y'all, thank you for watching. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. I will see everyone next week.